Hi, this is John with WTI, and this video right here is for my girls and the boys in the gym. So I like to lift heavy. I like to do bench press, squats, all the heavy stuff. So one of my friends the other day told me in the gym like, hey John, you need to protect your spine. You need some security while you're lifting. So I was like, you're right. So I was looking about for a belt that was comfortable, a belt that was padded in the back like this one from Harbinger is. This is the Harbinger lifting belt with a padded in the back for 34 centimeters. So this guy is adjustable, is comfortable. I use it for deadlifts and bench press just to brace my core and to have a good security while I'm lifting heavy. So a couple of things I really like from this is like the padded in the back, it's comfortable, it's resistible, and it's durable because it's well stitched, it's well and comfortable while I'm raising my core and using this. So if you're in the gym, you want to protect your spine, you want to protect everything for not being into injuries, this one is a great opportunity for you. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.